You can see views of LACMA straight across. I believe that's LACMA, which is the LA Museum. I don't know what it is. I don't even know if that's LACMA. So we are at the AC Hotels by Marriott in Beverly Hills, and this is the first time we've ever checked in here. We are on the 10th floor. It's a standard room, which pretty much has a fridge, a safe, a desk. There is the bathroom. Here is the bed. Our view is of the parking garage below. When we came in here, the floors were really dirty. It looked like the shower walls were not cleaned. I mean, that's just aside from the usual wear and tear. It just looks like maybe, you know, the room wasn't even vacuumed, and I'm not sure if that is because of their cleaning schedule, but I would assume that even though housekeeping is only available 1 day a week for each room, I would still assume that when someone does check out, that housekeeping does actually, you know, vacuum and change the sheets, and the sheets were very clean, so I have no complaints about that, but it just doesn't feel like the rest of the room was cleaned out. Parking here is only valet. You cannot park your own car, and they do have complimentary electric vehicle charging if you need it. With EV parking, they did allow us to park our own car, so we kept our keys and we weren't double parked, so you know, if we leave, it won't be a problem. The parking's pretty spacious. It wasn't full, but it is a weekday, so we'll see how it goes on the weekend. They do have a rooftop lounge, and we were told that the bar finally opened, and the rooftop lounge is open from 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then they have a lounge area downstairs as well, and then they have kind of like that mini convenience store that you see with most of Marriott's hotels. And they also have a business center area where there is a computer, maybe if you need to print something. Oh, and also they have Ace, the robot butler, which if you need an extra amenity, the robot will deliver it up here for you. They also have a gym, and there is a wading pool on the rooftop as well. This hotel is really close to what they call the Miracle Mile, close to all of the museums. So if you're planning to go and see the tar pits, the Peterson Automotive Museum, the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, I believe, LACMA, with the lamps, it is also walking distance. We walked there and it took us about 9 minutes. This is a great spot, a great location to do all of that sightseeing. You don't have to drive, you can just walk. All right, so we are checking out this morning after 2 days of staying here. And if you asked me if I would stay here again, I would probably say no, just because it doesn't feel as clean as the usual standard of Marriott hotels. And we've stayed at an AC hotel before in Denver, and it was very clean. So compared to this, I don't think it met the standards. Anyways, if you have any questions, or if you've stayed at an AC hotel before, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Thanks again for watching. Bye.